Alright, y'all, I'm back with another banger, another video. Before I get into this video revealing what the card is that I got right here today, I want to say thank you to everybody who's been supporting the channel, who's been sharing with your friends, subscribing to the channel, liking our content. Thank you so much. And for everybody who's watching now who have not subscribed to our channel, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, like our content, share with your friends, and help our channel grow. It really helps a lot. So now let's get right into what this card is behind me. We got the Navy Federal More Rewards Amex. Now, I did the video before on this card, the Navy Federal Cash Rewards, and I got this card back in May. So, since I got that card, the 91-3 rule has passed, so which is 91 days from the account opening and 3 statements. So, I started with a $1,000 limit there, and once 91-3 came, it really was like 92-3, 93-3, because I tried to give it that extra day. So I got my credit limit increased from 1,000 to 3,000, and that was done with the soft pull. So all my credit was locked, and they increased it with a soft pull. All right. So this one, I just applied for this card on April 24th, and it was not an instant approval. So when I applied, the results came back like an hour later, and I was approved. I was approved for a $1,000 limit, and I did this application on the 24th around like 11, 12 o'clock at night, and the approval email came around like 1 o'clock in the morning. So that's what happened there. I did have the card overnighted. Well, not overnighted, but express, and it came like a day later, literally. So the 24th, approved on the 25th. Today is the 26th of this video. I got the card. So it's here from FedEx. I haven't even opened it yet. So we're going to open and do everything. So here goes some data points before we open up the card. They pulled from Transunion. My credit score was 761. I had 9 to 10 inquiries. I'm not sure exactly how many inquiries it was because my credit report hasn't fully updated all the way. So it's like 9 to 10. My average age of accounts is 1 year. I have 9+ accounts and 10% utilization, all 100% payments. So let's go into the card itself. 3x points on supermarkets, 3x gas, 3x points on restaurants, 1x points for everything else. No annual fee, and you get Amex benefits. So this card is American Express sponsored and on their network. So that means when American Express has their offers that's mostly for American Express cards, you can link your card onto you have to go to the American Express Connect website, and you can type in your card number and everything, and you'll be able to get the rewards and extra points and cash back that Amex offers. So that's another cool thing about this. It also has a sign-up bonus, so you spend $3,000 and get 30,000 points, which is equal to $300, and you have 90 days to meet that spend. What else can I say? So last card I did, I got 150. So 150 plus this, that's $450 in sign-up bonus within what is about 100-something days. Few hundred days, whatever. So credit cards is good. When you have good credit, you get lines of credit. Also, you get paid for having good credit. So $300 here plus the 150, that's $450 plus the credit available, which is helping my credit as well. So now we can go into open up and show you what the card looks like. And also, I do want to say I am a little sad and upset with Navy Federal, because this is the second card that he gave me with a $1,000 limit, man. How? I thought this card would be a higher limit since it's the second one, but they gave me the same thing. And I'm not sure. It's something up with the algorithm. There's something going on. I think they're like changing up the rules or something, because it's still other people getting approved for the $20,000 card and everything like that. And these people have like 500 credit scores, 600 credit scores. So I'm not sure what's going on. My credit score is pretty high. Utilization is low. Now, I do have some recent accounts that was open and kind of recent inquiries. So that maybe be why I'm getting the $1,000 limit. But still, I don't think that's fair. But it is what it is. And then it's not even people who got established credit, because I've seen some people on there saying that they have people fresh out of high school, first year of college and all that stuff, and they're getting approved $20,000 card with no income and stuff like that. So I'm not sure what's going on, but like this card, 91-3 came, I got to increase to 3,000. So even if when you apply for cards, you don't get the limit you want. Come on now. When you don't get the limit that you want the first time, just get your credit limit increases just every 3-6 months or 2 times a year, once a year. Just do your credit limit increase. So now we have the card here. Let's see. So we got all this good stuff, all the information that comes with your card, everything like that. So let's show you what the card looks like. And it's pretty reflective. It looks pretty cool. I like it. So let me do this. But this is how the card look. I have not activated it yet, as you can see. But you can't. If you go on Navy Federal website, you can see. But it's real reflective. Like, it's really nice looking. And this is the American Express right here. American Express More Rewards Navy Federal. So now I have 2 cards. I got one more slot left with Navy Federal, because you're allowed to have 3 personal credit cards. So I have Cash Rewards, Visa, and American Express More Rewards. So I think my next card is going to be the Platinum, and I get that one, so that way I always have a card with very low interest rate. And I was thinking about the flagship. I may product change if that's allowed, the Cash Rewards to the flagship, but I'm not seeing too much value in the flagship, because I plan on having other travel cards. And I don't know, because you're only paying $50 basically to get a discount on the TSA pre-check that they have on there. So I'm having some thoughts about the flagship. And I wanted to apply for the flagship over this one, but I wasn't sure if I was going to get approved. I felt this was more the safer, because when you go with the flagship and Visa signature cards, they usually have a starting limit of like 5,000 or more. Like, it's a higher starting limit. So I was like, I don't know if I get approved for that, because how I've been applying for cards lately and different stuff like that. So that's why I just went with this one. And then also the sign-up bonus. I wanted the sign-up bonus as well. So yeah, that's it for this card. Here's all my data points. If you have any questions, drop them down below. And yeah, so I'm gonna keep dropping videos. Also, I want to say, so far all my videos have been cards I've been approved for. So if y'all would like to see videos of me recommending cards that I don't have, or just reviewing different accounts, I can do so. But right now, I just been doing cards I've been approved for, giving you the data points, so that way you can get approved for them. Because there's a lot of people who share cards and different stuff like that, but they're not giving you the full data points, helping you understand if you're qualified to get approved or not. Also, it's always best to apply for cards without negative accounts. Now, Navy Federal is famous for approving people with negative accounts and negative remarks, but it's always best to clear that up, then apply for credit. One last note I wanted to say before I check that. Oh, I got 2 more videos coming up for y'all, right? So today is the 26th, I believe. I'll probably upload this tomorrow, which will be the 27th. So when you're watching this video, it'll be the 27th. I have the American Express Hilton Honors business credit card I'm gonna be doing a review on that I got approved for, and the Alliant Credit Union Platinum Visa Rewards card. So I got those 2 videos coming for y'all. So make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, liking our content, turn on post notifications, and I'll see you in the next videos. And comment anything that you have below. Thank you.